Model, 2014 Ford Transit 125 T350 Rwd Crew Cab Dropside Flatbed Tipper 12 months MOT. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 124521. MOT, the 11th of March 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-G. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and drivetrain are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van ready to drive and make you money. Features, 1 former keeper, tipper in working order, 12 months MOT, tow bar. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.